guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be trying out to make our KFC chicken. I used one full chicken. There are a number of ingredients that I'm going to be using. I started on putting on my salt. You can put half a spoon of salt. Then I added in my chili powder. I used around half a tablespoon of chili. I wanted it to be chili. Then on my soy sauce, I used around 5 to 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. I just want it to be more of it. My chicken was in the refrigerator, so I just removed it. There's no need of putting it back there. So I just put my ingredients and mixed my chicken all together with the ingredients. Make sure all the ingredients are mixed up with the chicken. As I'm doing it, just mix. Then you're going to go on to the next part. Make sure you mix, and then you're going to put aside your chicken. Then you can start on the next thing. On the next thing, I took out my bowl. I used around 250 grams of my flour. After putting in my flour, on the next I used corn flour. I'll just be measuring using my tablespoon. Add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Then you're going to go on to our next ingredient. We'll be using black pepper. Add half a tablespoon of black pepper. Then on the next ingredient, you're going to be using salt. Put a half tablespoon of salt or more to your tasting or to your liking. Then on our next ingredient, you're going to be using garlic powder. Measure your garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder to taste. Mix all the ingredients together. Take your nor powder. One tablespoon of nor powder. Then on our last ingredient, you're going to be using mixed spices. I used half a tablespoon of mixed spices. Then on our next, we're just going to mix all the ingredients all together. Mix all the ingredients together.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
From there, take your first piece of your chicken, immerse it in the flour mixture. Make sure to pat it to remove the extra flour, then put it aside. Do that for the next piece of your chicken. Immerse it in the corn flour, the flour mixture, pat it to remove the extra flour or mixture in it. Do the same for all the other pieces of the chicken. Make sure your cooking oil is already heating by now. because when you're done with this, you're going to be deep frying your chicken into the cooking oil. Do that for all the chicken. Make sure they are well immersed into the mixture. You can now start deep frying your chicken into your hot cooking oil. As you had put aside your chicken that you had immersed in your mixture, you can redo it again. You can remix again, put back your chicken into the flour mixture, and then you can now put it into the hot cooking oil. Make sure to remove the extra oil, and make sure let the chicken deep fry for around 3 to 5 minutes for the inner parts to get cooked. That's your main aim, and for the top part to be crunchy. As you put it inside the cooking oil, let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes, then you can turn on the other side, at least for it to be crunchy. That's how you want your chicken to be, the top part to be crunchy and to be well cooked. That's how you do it. Remove extra oil as you're removing your chicken from the cooking oil.